Hello students, welcome to the class today. Hope you all are doing fine. So as you know, we are carrying on with this chapter 8, history, devotional path to the divine, and the points that we have discussed, the things that we are discussing in the chapter. I hope that it has a lot of positive impact on you, because why I'm saying this is there is a lot of things to learn from this chapter. I told in my previous video also that these Bhakti tradition saints, these Sufi tradition saints, they were the ones who had left their lives, who have left their homes, who have dedicated their lives for the service of the mankind. So you can very well understand that the lives that has been influenced, that has been very influencing, and the changes that has happened in many people's life, the saints are dedicated to that. All the credit goes to these saints. Got it? So last class we have talked about, in the last class what we have discussed about is, we have discussed about the I just wanted to remind you about the hospice, right? We discussed about hospice, and what was hospice? Hospice was the hospice, you can say, or you can say it was also called as khangas. क्या था? It was called as khangas. ठीक है? In khangas में क्या था? It was just like rest houses. From all the walks of life, people used to visit different places, अलग अलग जगहों पे जाके, and they used to have their meetings. They used to go for pilgrimage, for worshipping. So when they had gone, when they used to take these pilgrimages, so on the way काफी सारी चीजें ऐसी होती थी which used to influence them a lot. तो ये जब यहाँ पे रुकते थे, ठीक है, devotees from all walks of life ना, including members, ठीक है, devotees from all over, and मतलब ऐसा ही नहीं था कि खाली poor people were there, rich people, the royalty and nobility were also included, were also visiting many places, they are also continuously on move. Remember हमने बात किया था कि they used to go from one village to the other village. तो अदर विलेजेस में when they are going, while they are traveling, तो रास्ते में थोड़ा सा आराम तो करना है. Then they used to rest in these खानकाज, और वहां पे कोई गुरु आए हुए हैं, उनका लोग आशीर्वाद लेते थे, उनके साथ बैठते थे, डिस्कशंस करते थे. Many things used to happen which influenced the lifestyle of these people. Okay, क्या डिस्कस करते थे? They used to discuss on spiritual matters. कितनी बार किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है, they used to go and discuss it with the saint. So this is how these khankas were working. These khankas were like the rest place for the travelers and for the people who are going on pilgrimage or for any other work to any other place. Now what happened? कभी कभी जो Sufi masters were there, they were attributed, often people said कि ये जो Sufi saint है, इनका तो गजब के करिश्मा करते हैं, इनके हाथ में तो जादू है. Many saints are very famous. तो जहां पे wherever the saint was buried or wherever was his tomb, उस जगह को लोगों ने दरगाह बना दिया. They used to say that it was dargah. The meaning of dargah is very well given there. आप देख सकते हो, it is there in your book, जहां पे the holy shrine is there and the saint is buried. The holy saint who is there, who is buried, उस जगह को जहाँ पे the Sufi saint is there, the Sufi saints were buried. Got it? This place was called as a dargah. Now what happened? Thousands of devotees, they used to come here, they used to worship. And एक मैंने आपको explanation दिया था. I have given you one example of Jalaluddin Rumi. ठीक है? Jalaluddin Rumi. इन्होंने क्या कहा? इन्होंने कहा कि I was looking for God, I was searching for God, I wanted to meet him, I wanted to see him. हर जगह जाके देख लिया, and ultimately when I had seen my inside, when I had seen in myself, then I found God there. So he said, I went to the Christian people, I went to the Hindus, temples, everywhere I had gone and I did not get God anywhere. तो ये जो रूमी वाला जो एक पैराग्राफ वी हैड डिस्कस्ड, वो एक आपको मैंने दिखाया था, आई हैड शोन इट टू यू. तो दिस शोज कि अभी क्या है, कबीर दास जी ने, तुलसीदास जी, दीज वर ऑल्सो ग्रेट सेंट्स, ये भी बहुत बड़े सेंट्स हुआ करते थे. सो दीज सेंट्स हु वर देयर, इन्होंने भी कहा, कबीरदास जी के जो दोहे आप पढ़ते हैं कि नहीं पढ़ते हैं? ठीक है, रहीमदास जी के दोहे पढ़ते हैं कि नहीं पढ़ते हैं? पोथी पढ़ पढ़ जगमुआ, पंडित भया न कोई, ढाई आखर प्रेम का जो पढ़े सो पंडित होए. क्या है? अभी इनको तुम ये सोचो, थिंक इट इन दिस मैनर कि दीज पीपल कौन से स्कूल में जाके पढ़ते थे? दे हैव नेवर गॉन टू एनी स्कूल. दे अपने से, आप सोचो, दैट इज व्हाट इज देयर कनेक्शन विद गॉड एंड देयर कनेक्शन टू द वर्ल्डली मैनर्स. दुनिया की चीजों को देख के दे हैड गॉट दिस एक्सपीरियंसेस. ओके, एक और है ना, जो जग देखा आपना, नहीं, बुरा जो देखन मैं चला, बुरा न मिलिया कोई, जो दिल खोजा आपना, मुझसे बुरा न कोई. And this is one teaching that has really, influenced me a lot. Children, I got a lot of influence with this saying, because what happens, इसमें एक चीज और मैं आपको explain करना चाहूंगी. One thing more I would like to explain here is, children, कि when we go and say कि that you have done something bad, तुमने बुरा किया है, बुरा किया है, बुरा किया है, you are bad, bad, bad. So I am pointing one finger at you, and can you see 3 fingers I am pointing on myself? So you should never show your finger to anyone. कभी भी किसी के ऊपर भी इल्जाम नहीं लगाना है, किसी को गलत बात नहीं कहनी है. When you say something to somebody or when you put allegations on somebody, किसी के ऊपर इल्जाम लगाते हैं, किसी को बुरा भला कहते हैं, एक बार उसको कहते हैं तो 3 बार अपने आप को कहते हैं. 3, just see, this is what is your position. The day I understood this thing, I have stopped. I think, वैसे तो भाई गुस्सा चढ़ता है तो कुछ भी करता है. When you are angry, then you do anything. उस समय कुछ समझ में नहीं आता है, दिमाग काम नहीं करता है. But then we should never do this. Got it? So this was the topic about the Sufi. Now a new bhakti tradition, a new kind of a religious development was there in North India. New developments in North India. नॉर्थ में एक नए तरीके का सिस्टम शुरू हुआ. अ न्यू काइंड ऑफ इंटरैक्शन, अ न्यू काइंड ऑफ सिस्टम हैड स्टार्टेड, विच वॉज आफ्टर द 13th century. ठीक है, इट स्टार्टेड एंड इट डेवलप्ड आफ्टर 13th century. कब से शुरू हुआ, कैसे शुरू हुआ? हु वर द पीपल हु स्टार्टेड इट? ठीक है, इस समय दिस वॉज द टाइम व्हेन इस्लाम, ब्राह्मण्स, हिंदुइज्म, सूफिज्म, all these bhakti traditions were coming up in a very big manner. Islam was there, Brahminical traditions were there, Hinduism was there, Sufism was there. So many religious traditions were there, so many religious customs were there. Got it? So you can see it is mentioned here. There was Islam. Got it? Islam was there. Brahmanical traditions were there. Hinduism, मतलब अलग अलग ग्रुप्स थे, अलग अलग तरीके से लोग भगवान तक पहुंचने की कोशिश कर रहे थे. People were trying to reach to God through different path. मंजिल एक है, रास्ते अलग हैं. Only the route to God is different, लेकिन aim is the same. Got it? That was there. Sufism, all these bhakti ways was there. Islam, Brahmanical traditions, Hinduism, Sufism, these were all the strands of bhakti. And नागपंथी, सिद्ध, जोगी, ये सारे लोग एक दूसरे को इन्फ्लुएंस करते थे. These all influenced one another. हर एक कस्टम एंड ट्रेडिशन का असर पड़ता था दूसरे के ऊपर. गॉट इट? एंड हमने देखा न्यू टाउन्स वेर कमिंग अप. रिमेंबर चैप्टर 6 वी हैव रेड न्यू टाउन्स एंड किंगडम्स. चैप्टर 2, 3 and 4 न्यू टाउन्स एंड न्यू किंगडम्स वेर कमिंग अप. नए नए तरीके से लोगों का इंट्रैक्शन हो रहा था, नए कस्टम्स डेवलप हो रहे थे, नए ट्रेडिशंस डेवलप हो रहे थे. तो व्हेन दिस वाज इमर्जिंग, people were taking up new professions and finding new roles for themselves. लोग नया नया काम कर रहे थे, नए तरीके से अपने आप को एस्टैब्लिश करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे. तो न्यू कस्टम्स एंड न्यू ट्रेडिशंस वेर कमिंग अप. व्हाट वाज हैपनिंग इज दैट न्यू टाउन्स वेर एस्टैब्लिश्ड. प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड कि जब नए टाउन्स एस्टैब्लिश हो गए, when these new towns were established, it gave a new way of thinking for the people who were living in these towns. उनका सोचने का भी तरीका बदल गया, because the previous customs and traditions were also changing. पहले का जो तरीका था वो अब बदल रहा था. And people were taking up new professions. New towns were established. People were taking new traditions. Got it? नए तरीके से अपने आप को एस्टैब्लिश करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे. सो विद दिस न्यू मेथड दैट वाज कमिंग अप, द पीपल स्पेशली, इसमें कौन लोग थे? पीपल वर टेकिंग, आई मीन न्यू जॉब्स दे वर टेकिंग अप, और यू कैन से टेकिंग न्यू ट्रेडिशंस. बाद में कहेंगे, पहले हम कहेंगे दे वर टेकिंग न्यू प्रोफेशंस. अपने लिए नया काम खोज रहे थे नए तरीके से. एंड स्पेशली कौन लोग थे ये नया काम क्या कर रहे थे? दे वेयर द क्राफ्ट्स पर्सन. गॉट इट? peasants, traders, crafts person, peasants, traders, yeah, all these new type of people who were coming up, laborers. तो ये जो थे, they used to come to listen to these sayings. We talked about the khankas, we talked about the hospices. तो जहां भी, जैसे किसी गांव में there is one khanka in any village. Rampur is there. रामपुर में there is one khanka. Suddenly, the people who are living in Rampur, traders, they came to listen to these sayings. Please understand. तो मैं अभी जब मैं आपको बता रही थी, तो रामपुर में सब लोगों को पता चला, अरे बहुत बड़े महात्मा आए हैं, some great महात्मा has come, and वो यहाँ खानका में रुके हुए हैं. Then they used to say, चलो चलो चल के उनसे मिलते हैं, उनकी कुछ बातें सुनते हैं. That time there was no television and internet and all these things. Now these things are really bad. The kind of interaction that the people had in the previous times, पहले जिस तरह से लोग एक दूसरे के साथ इंटरैक्ट करते थे, अभी वो चीज नहीं रह गई है. अभी वो कस्टम्स बदल गए हैं, अभी वो ट्रेडिशंस बदल गए हैं. Got it? The peasants, traders, craftsperson, they came to listen to these saints and thronged to listen to these new saints. And वो बताते थे, वहां पे सुन लिया, उसके बाद अपने घर में जाके अपनी वाइफ को बताया, अपने और जो फ्रेंड्स हैं, मेनी फ्रेंड्स हु कुड नॉट गो, उनको जाके बताया, अरे वो जो साधु महात्मा थे, ही वाज सो गुड, ही सेड दैट वी हैव टू लव ईच अदर, we have to be together, we should never fight, and anger is the biggest enemy. Got it? So these kind of good teachings, these kind of good activities were appreciated. लोगों को अच्छा लगा कि अरे हाँ, ये जो बात कह रहे हैं तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, दिस इज अ वेरी गुड थिंग. सो व्हाट हैपेंड, क्योंकि भक्ति ट्रेडिशन एंड सूफी ट्रेडिशन दैट वाज कमिंग अप, ऐसा क्या हुआ कि इतना पॉपुलर हो गए थे ये लोग? What did they do that they had become so popular? So it is because of the spreading of message from one to another. एक दूसरे के थ्रू ये मैसेजेस लोगों तक पहुंच गए. और ये जो बड़े साधु महात्मा थे और these learned people who were there, इसमें some of the names are very famous, you know them very well, and they were कबीरदास जी, ठीक है, कबीर, बाबा गुरु नानक देव जी. गुरु नानक देव जी जानते हैं ना, बाबा गुरु नानक. सबसे पहली चीज जो उन्होंने की, द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट दे हैड डन, दे रिजेक्टेड ऑल ऑर्थोडॉक्स रिलीजन. They rejected all orthodox religion. सारे धर्म को, सारे ट्रेडिशन को हर तरीके से इन्होंने चेंज कर दिया, जितने भी रिलीजन थे. एंड दे सेड कि जितना भी, क्यों हम इतनी गलत चीजें फॉलो करें? व्हाट इज कास्ट सिस्टम? God has made human being. When God has made human being, how come we are, who are we to differentiate between the human being? कि हम किसी को हाई कास्ट कह देते हैं, किसी को लो कास्ट कह देते हैं. This is something very wrong. This is a wrong practice that is going on in the society. So they rejected all the orthodox. Orthodox means जो बहुत पुराने समय से चला आ रहा है. The religion that is carrying on from a very long time. They rejected all that. Other saints were also there. कौन था? Like तुलसीदास जी, सूरदास जी. तुलसीदास, सूरदास accepted the practices, accepted existing beliefs. Got it? तुलसीदास जी, सूरदास जी, दे सेड कि नहीं ठीक है, राम है, कृष्णा है. इनका कहना था कि यस, देयर इज राम, देयर इज कृष्णा. तुलसीदास जी जो है, ही यूज्ड टू वर्शिप लॉर्ड राम बिकॉज देयर इज रामचरितमानस, रामायण जो पहले वाल्मीकि जी का लिखा गया है, इट वॉज रिटन इन अ न्यू फॉर्म. रिटन क्या मतलब, उसको बस एक लोगों के सामने उन्होंने रखा. तुलसीदास रचित श्री राम चरितमानस, रामायण. एंड रामचरितमानस इज वेरी फेमस. आपको ये बताना पड़ेगा कि न्यू ट्रेडिशंस दैट वर कमिंग अप, इट वाज इन्फ्लुएंसिंग द कॉमन पीपल अ लॉट. आम आदमी को जो है ना, उससे बहुत ज्यादा इंस्पिरेशन मिल रही थी. Whatever these people were doing, the common people were very inspired. अब जैसे कबीर दास जी हैं, अभी अब in Varanasi, he was born in Varanasi, and there is Kabir Chaura in his name. आप कभी कबीर चौरा जाइए, कबीर वहां पे कबीर दास जी का आपको, you will find that ashram and where people are following the कबीर दास जी. Got it? तो ऑर्थोडॉक्स चीजों को उन्होंने, जो ट्रेडिशंस थे सोसाइटी में, उसको पूरी तरह रिजेक्ट किया. बट तुलसीदास जी एक्सेप्टेड रामा एज हिज गॉड, And Tulsidas ji has written Ramacharitmanas. Got it? Ramayana in a new form. And I'm sorry, children. And it was in Awadhi language. Got it? Awadhi language. All the dohas, all the things that are there. It was matlab, because he was from Uttar Pradesh, so he spoke in that language only, and in the same language he has written the Ramcharitmanas. Awadhi language is spoken in Uttar Pradesh. Please remember, at that time it was spoken in UP. I have written the short form. Got it? Now what's happened, it is important both as an expression of his devotion. इन्होंने जो काम किया, it was dedicated to Lord Rama. एक तो उनका he dedicated his work to Lord Rama and made it very famous. It became very famous further on. Got it? तो ये आप देख लो. And Surdas, he was an ardent devotee of Lord Krishna. Got it? Tulsidas has written Ramcharitmanas, and Surdas was a devotee of ardent मतलब कि बहुत ज़्यादा इनकी भक्ति थी towards Lord Krishna. Okay, was a devotee of Lord Krishna. काफी सारे poems इन्होंने लिखे. Lot of poems he has written dedicated to Lord Krishna. And the books that he has written, जिन books में इनके सारी poems जो है, which is compiled is Sur Sagar, Sur Saravali, Sahitya Lahari. He expressed his devotion to God. Through all these poems, he has his compositions. Whatever he has said, whatever he has spoken, it has been included in these books. Got it? तो बुक्स का नाम आपको याद रखना है. बुक्स बाय Sursagar. He was very dedicated to Lord Krishna. Please remember that. Surdas जी, आपने नाम सुना होगा. Sur Saravali. Got it? Sahitya Lahari. Okay? All these books, all these poems were written in these books and became very famous. Many people were there who were followers of Lord Krishna. They read these books, they understood the poems or bhajans likhe gaye. Okay? Krishna, 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 Radhe Krishna, Radhe Krishna. These kind of the chantings that were there, these kind of sayings that were there was very famous. Okay, I was just giving you an example. In the same way, Shankara Deva was there from Assam. Okay, ये सारे हैं Shankara Deva from Assam. इन्होंने क्या लिखा? लेट 15th century. ठीक है, he existed in Assam in late 15th century and he said he was a devotee of Vishnu. He was an ardent devotee of Lord Vishnu. Got it? So he dedicated his life for the god Lord Vishnu. So he is also very famous and he have written many poems in Assamese. Shankara Deva was from Assam and his poems are in Assamese. in language. ठीक है, the language आप किसी language में लिखते हो ना, where you are very comfortable with. So he has written in Assamese. Now what happened? इन्होंने क्या किया ना? He started making houses of recitation and prayer. ऐसे घर बनाए, छोटे छोटे घर बनाए जहां पे बैठ के they can recite a poem and they can say a prayer. आज तक चलता है. एंड द हाउस इज स्मॉल, मंदिर टाइप का ही होता था, लाइक अ टेम्पल ओनली, एंड इट वॉज कॉल्ड एज, these poems are in Assamese, and he established नामघर. Got it? इन्होंने नामघर बनाया, और नामघर में क्या होता था? इट वॉज हाउस ऑफ रेसिटेशन एंड प्रेयर. यहाँ पे पोएम्स रिसाइट की जाती थी. हाउस ऑफ रेसिटेशन एंड प्रेयर. अब इसको टेम्पल नहीं कहेंगे, मतलब जस्ट पीपल आर सिटिंग देयर टुगेदर, चैंटिंग गॉड्स नेम, टॉकिंग अबाउट गॉड, ये सारी चीजें यहाँ पे होती थी. गॉट इट? आप जस्ट रिमेंबर द नेम ऑफ ऑल दीज सेंट्स एंड द वर्क दैट दे हैड डन. 2-3 things that I just wanted to show you in the book. I'll be just showing it to you. Got it? Chalo, let's see it in the book.
Students, just now we talked about in the last video we discussed about Rumi. Now I told you that I wanted to show you something in the book. Can you see this picture? This is a picture, this is a painting which is signifying how religious customs and traditions were filled with singing, dancing, different kind of a hymn that was there. So you can see Chaitanya Deva. Chaitanya Deva naam yaad rakhna. He was a bhakti saint. Chaitanya Deva, he was a bhakti saint. He was from Bengal, and he said that he believed in selfless devotion to Krishna Radha. Krishna and Radha के ये ardent follower थे, बहुत ज़्यादा. I mean with lot of love and respect he had followed Krishna and Radha. अभी आप ये जो पिक्चर देख रहे हैं, you see a group of his followers. इनके जो फॉलोअर्स हैं, जो इनको ब्लाइंडली फॉलो करते थे, दे आर एंगेज इन एक्सटैटिक डांसिंग एंड सिंगिंग. एक अलग तरीके का माहौल हो जाता था. इतना ज़्यादा लॉर्ड दे यूज टू वर्शिप लॉर्ड कृष्णा एज इफ मेनी टाइम्स पीपल विटनेस्ड कि लॉर्ड कृष्णा भी आके इनके साथ डांस कर रहे हैं. मेनी पीपल से. तो ये जब इस तरह का लगता है ना, अभी ओरिजिनल तो ऐसा हुआ नहीं होगा. In reality, it might not have happened, but then that kind of a form that existed, it is called as ecstatic. Ecstasy पढ़ा था हमने? Yes. So this word ecstatic had come from there. Okay? Dancing and singing. You can see the people here, they have, just see this dancing saint. Everybody is devoted their life to Lord Krishna, and his name was Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. क्या नाम था? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Now this is the map that you all have to do. Major bhakti saints and the regions associated with them. किस जगह को वो लोग belong करते थे? That is what is shown here. I'll show you. सबसे पहले गुरु नानक देव जी, he belonged to this place. Got it? Then सूरदास, रामानंद, कबीर दास, रायदास, वल्लभाचार्य, तुलसीदास, they all were popular in Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Then Dadu Nath and Mirabai in Rajasthan. Okay? Chaitanya Deva, he is also called as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then Shankara Deva, किस स्टेट में, कौन से which state विच भक्ति सेंट वॉज पॉपुलर, आपको ये मार्क करना है. इट विल कम इन योर एनुअल्स, बाय ऑल मीन्स इट विल कम इन योर एनुअल्स. गॉट इट चिल्ड्रन? प्लीज रिमेंबर एंड यू ऑल हैव टू डू दिस. संत ज्ञानेश्वर here in Maharashtra, Narsi Mehta, Namdev, Eknath, all these were the saints from Maharashtra. Remember, the saints from Maharashtra. Then you have Basavana from Karnataka, Purandar Dasa from Andhra, Ram Dasa from Andhra, and then Mannikava Sagar, Ramanuja and नामकार. ठीक है, नाम मल्लवार. तो दीज सेंट्स, आपको इनका नाम याद रखना है प्लस विच स्टेट दे बिलोंग टू. ओके चिल्ड्रन, so this is what I wanted to show you from the book. Till then children, thank you so much and all the best. We'll meet in the next video.